Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Hazel Luxury. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, so one-on-one mirror imaging of some of your favorite designers such as Louis, Gucci, and all types of different brands. So what I picked out today is yet another Chanel bag. I know you guys are probably like, she is just showing us these Chanel bags, and yes, okay. So this is actually going to be a Chanel denim bag, and I've actually really been wanting a denim purse. I really wanted the Coach Tabby denim purse. I know you guys probably seen that all around, super viral purse, and that purse is constantly sold out, hard to get your hands on, or it's being resold and marked up. So anyways, we have our Chanel denim now, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one. So their bags, like I said, is high quality reps and really good material compared to how the authentic ones are. So it does come with a dust bag, and as you guys can see, like the Chanel wrapping, and then also in here they have like a whole bunch of little things in here, but they have like the little flower that you guys would usually see. Chanel, this little thing, like the little receipts, and then like the bow to tie the box. Okay, so aside from that, let's get into the bag. So we have our dust bag here, it says Chanel on it. And I did get this a size bigger than the other Chanel bags I've shown you guys on my channel, and I honestly feel like this is a pretty good size. So this bag is super cute. It's more of like a medium wash type of denim. I still do want a darker denim bag, but this one is super cute. Focus that in, and it does have this gold hard wearing to it. So it also has the back pocket, and then even on the handles it's kind of like a blue. I feel like this is more like a teal aqua type of blue color for the handles. So yeah, super cute. And you just twist it, of course, and then this is what the inside looks like. It has that top zipper, and then the flap. You lift it up, you see your CC, and then you have the first pocket here. Pretty good space. I feel like this one is definitely more spacious than my smaller size flat bag that I have, so good space there. And then you open it here, and then you have even more space in there as well. And then you have those two little pockets, and then like the lipstick holder. So really cute. And then of course your back pocket. The construction of this bag is really nice. I think the material looks good, the stitching looks good, everything about it looks pretty good. I cannot wait to wear this bag. So cute. And like I said, the size on here is really perfect. I can see myself wearing this with a lot of things. I feel like it makes a good fall purse, good spring purse, just a good purse to wear all season round. So I hope you guys like this. I will have it linked in the description box below, plus a discount code. And yeah, this is my new Chanel. Shout out to Hazel Luxury. Bye guys.